Shongile is less reckless and takes a more considered approach to life. However, this is one of the most vulnerable periods for a young female leopard. Usually, the separation from her mother and the creation of her own territory would be a gradual process. For Shongile, it has happened overnight. If Kurula was alive, she would make space for Shongile next to her, allowing Shongile to settle between her territory and the bordering land claimed by some of Kurula's previous daughters. Shongile has much to learn before she is an adult. Her hunting skills will take time to hone. But unlike Hosanna, she understands her limits.